Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, this is the Bella's Family channel. So guys, today's video is just a quick one. I'm going to be doing unboxing for a tripod I saw in Ify Success TV channel. I saw it in her channel. She did an unboxing in this kind of tripod. So when I saw that video, I loved the tripod. So I tried following her link, the link she dropped to buy it, but because she's in London, so I could not order from London, so I just have to take all the description about the tripod and try to check it out in our own Amazon here in Germany. So I got it, so I just want to do my own unboxing. Thank you so much, Ify Success, for this wonderful unboxing, because it was through you I saw this wonderful tripod. So guys, let's get right into the video. It just came today. I ordered it 2 days ago and it came today. So I want us to unbox it together, guys. Let me take some. So guys, let me open it and see what is inside. Okay. Look at it. Okay. Look at it, how it came. Look at it, guys. So I think they just, what is this? Okay. Amazon. Okay, it's a thank you letter. Okay, guys, look at it. Look at it. It came as a gift. Okay. Let me unbox it. Oh wow. It looks so beautiful. Look at it. Wow. Look at it, guys. Look at the tripod. Okay, it came. Oh, okay. Look at it. I think this is where you stand your phone. Look at it. And look at the tripod here. Okay, the carton is empty. Okay, look at it. Came with the bag. Yes. Wow. Look at it, guys. So taking it off. Okay, guys, I do not really know how to set it up yet, but my husband is going to help me to do that. So look at it, guys. I think if you want it to be longer, when you open the second place, it become longer. You open the third one, it will be more longer than Let me just try it and see. Yeah, I think it's like this. Okay. Wow, it's very long. One. Open the next one too. Okay. As you can see, you can actually, it's very good when you are trying to record outside. So that is it. Pin it back. 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 So guys, this is it. So it's very good even when you are standing outside to record. So that is it. Though I don't know how to use it very well now. When that Bella comes back, it will help me to finish it. That is it, guys. I think it's very interesting and it's very good. So I will be using it to record outside tomorrow. So that Bella will help me. I'm taking it back inside. So it's very good, you can, and affordable. You can take it along with you inside your bag when traveling. So I love it. Thank you so much, Ify Success. This is very nice, guys. Thank you, Ify Success. And the bag. So I'm going to take it back inside. This one. Okay, and this is the remote. In case you are recording, you don't have to go close to the camera to pause it. You can use this to pause it from where you are recording from. So this is the remote control for the tripod. It actually uses the Bluetooth or the iOS of the phone you are using. So this is it, guys. So I don't know how to use it yet, but if Daddy Bella comes, he can help me to do it. So that is it, guys. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, guys, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. We love you guys. Bella family love you. We thank you all. We appreciate all your support, all the positive comment. We thank you all so much, guys. So I will see you in our next video, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.